Opening scene, smooth pan of a Toyota GLI parked in an urban setting, glinting in the sunlight. Voiceover, step into a world where performance meets elegance. Today, we take a closer look at a car that has won hearts across the globe via the Toyota GLI. This sedan is more than just a vehicle, it's a symbol of reliability and sophistication that seamlessly blends style with functionality. Cut to interior shots. The dashboard, steering wheel, and infotainment system are shown in detail. Voiceover, from the moment you step inside, the GLI greets you with a sense of comfort and convenience. Its thoughtfully designed cabin offers premium finishes, ergonomic seating, and a host of intuitive features. The sleek dashboard layout is equipped with cutting-edge technology, keeping you connected and in control on every journey. Exterior shots, a walk-around of the car, showcasing its aerodynamic design and signature grille. Voiceover, the design of the GLI speaks volumes about its character. Its bold front grille, sharp headlamp design, and flowing body lines create a striking profile that turns heads wherever you go. It's not just a car, it's a statement of style and confidence. Cut to driving shots, the GLI smoothly gliding through city streets and highways. Voiceover, under the hood, the GLI offers a dynamic performance that makes every drive memorable. Its efficient engine delivers a perfect balance of power and fuel economy, while the precision-tuned suspension ensures a smooth and responsive ride. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising on the highway, this car adapts effortlessly to your needs. Showcase safety features, visuals of parking sensors, airbags, and braking systems. Voiceover, safety is a priority, and the GLI doesn't disappoint. With advanced safety systems like anti-lock brakes, multiple airbags, and parking sensors, it offers peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Every feature is designed to ensure that safety never takes a backseat, highlighting storage and practicality. Open trunk and folding seats. Voiceover, practicality is another strong suit of the GLI. With ample storage space and versatile seating options, it's designed to accommodate everything from daily commutes to weekend getaways. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey. Closing scene, sunset shot of the GLI parked by a scenic road. Voiceover, the Toyota GLI is more than just a car, it's an experience. Combining innovation, comfort, and performance, it redefines what it means to drive with confidence. For those who demand more from their vehicles, this is the ultimate choice. And screen channel name appears with a tagline, Auto Luxury Ultimate, where your driving passion comes to life.